In this video, I will show you how to use the Attention Insight Visual Usability Checker plugin to compare two layout options by analyzing visual hierarchy, so you can make design decisions based not just on intuition, but on real data. Testing multiple designs, up to 10 at once, lets us compare them simultaneously, saving time and simplifying the evaluation process. We are comparing two hero section designs, Hero 1, centered and symmetrical, Hero 2, left-aligned and asymmetrical. Our goal is to see which layout draws attention more effectively to the most important elements. Let's look at the first design. The most important element in the design is the top block, the headline and call to action button. The image comes second as it's less critical. So, I'd like to see which design performs better based on that. We click on Visual Hierarchy Analysis. Before that, we can check the tooltip for a quick explanation of the metrics, expected results, and how they will help us interpret the visual hierarchy. Now, let's run the analysis. We need to select the design type, desktop or mobile. In this case, it's desktop, so we click that. A short animation then explains the process. Choose a frame and sections you want to analyze. You can select up to 10. We select Hero 1. Hero 1 appears too large and doesn't fit the screen ratio. It exceeds the full screen size. The tool suggests setting a different viewport. This ensures the plugin only analyzes what's actually visible on screen. We can manually crop the frame or let the plugin do it automatically by trimming the top. After adjusting the viewport for Hero 1 and confirming Hero 2, we start the analysis. Don't forget to check Include explanations for easier interpretation. We press Start Analysis. We've got the results. Hero 1 gets a 68% focus score, while Hero 2 scores 96%. The tooltip explains what the focus score is and how to interpret it. Clicking takes us to the results, where we also see explanations to the focus map, score, and attention hotspots, helping us understand visual hierarchy at a glance. By reviewing the metrics in order and together, we get a clearer picture of the visual hierarchy. The focus map shows what users notice within the first 3 to 5 seconds of viewing the design. In Hero 1, we see that key elements like the headline and CTA buttons are clearly visible, along with the logo and top CTA. A 68% focus score indicates multiple elements are attracting similar attention. Since no single element stands out much more than others, the score is lower. We can evaluate this visually on the heat map. Some areas are seen more clearly, some less, but overall, the hierarchy is acceptable. We also see percentage data showing how much attention each spot gets. One area may get more than another, but in this case, the distribution isn't strong enough to create a clear visual hierarchy, unlike in Hero 2, which shows a bigger difference in attention and stronger focus. In the second design, both the heat map and focus map show key elements are immediately visible. The higher focus score is due to a stronger contrast. One block draws 35% attention versus 11 for another. That larger gap creates a clearer visual hierarchy, showing where the user's eye will go first and what stands out most. These results help us evaluate context and conclude that the second layout performs better. Since it focuses attention more clearly on key elements, we can confidently recommend it to stakeholders as the preferred design for the hero section. What is more, even without selecting the interpretation tips, we can find all the info via the How to Interpret Analysis tab, including details on the technology behind the results. Try out our new plugin yourselves and enjoy the benefits of the new AI features.